Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today, we're going to talk about a new indicator. If you follow my instructions and use this strategy, I'm sure you won't lose your capital. Watch the whole video to learn how this indicator works and how to use it correctly without any losses. By subscribing to my channel, you'll have access to profitable indicators and be able to avoid losses. Let's start the trading video. Here, the oscillator did not make a new low and gave us an arrow sign for trading upwards. The market is coming up very strongly, but now there is a strong demand zone above which the market should reverse. Let's take a trade and see. Here is another signal from the sellers on the crossing of the moving average. Here's another example of trading on a moving average crossing. And the oscillator is also making downward bars. Okay? I think you have understood the signals of this indicator very well. Take care and see you in the next video with another good indicator. Bye.